So I'm going to go ahead and grab the invisible strap on the side, and I'm just going to go ahead and squeeze and pull it in place so that it can be nice and secure. Glueless, look at that. Can y'all see this? Glueless. So this is look number 1, guys. Very cute and simple. I actually love this curl pattern. Cleaner. It doesn't have to be all the way straight. We're just cleaning it up. Alright y'all, so we're back today with another hair video. Shout out to Wowafrican for sponsoring today's video, guys. So I haven't done an unboxing on camera in a long time, like talking to y'all, so why not do it today? This unit right here is absolutely stunning, guys. The SKU number on this unit is 𝐂𝐈𝐆𝐒09. This is a natural color. It is a hair length 20 inches. Now, so this is going to give us kind of like a natural density, natural length, natural look. So this texture is a kinky straight texture, guys. And they actually pre-styled this unit already, so I love that about Wowafrican. Their units come complete, guys, so everything is pre-cut, pre-styled, pre-tweezed, pre-bleached, the whole kind of works. This is the kind of units that are all the works. So this is a 360 cap, so you're gonna get the lace around the entire perimeter. Now, as you guys can see, there are kinky edges on this unit, and it's 360, so you know, high ponytail styles, whatever you want to do, it's going to work with this unit. Now, again, like I said to you guys, the cap construction on this one is actually really, really unique. They do have that 360 Invisi-strap thing right here. So all you have to do is pull this and then pull the tab to secure it. And when you go ahead and wear your units up in a ponytail, the back is very, very seamless, especially because they did line this up with a kinky baby hair. So it's going to look super, super natural. Obviously, as you guys can see, it does come with an adjustable strap already. And it also has like I said, 3 combs. Did I say 3 combs? 4 combs in the actual invisible strap right here. So the drawstring. So when I tell y'all that's all you need, that is literally all you need for this unit. Now all I'm going to do is cut the lace off of this off the camera so I can show you guys. But let me show you guys the perimeter of this one so you guys can actually see up close what these kinky baby hairs are looking like. It's absolutely stunning. Very, very nice. I'm probably going to go in and just tweeze a little bit of it off just to kind of make it like a little neater, but I don't see myself smoothing them out too much. This texture is gorgeous, guys. It's like a kinky straight texture, very pretty. And as you guys can see, they did go ahead and add a little bit of like a little rollers to it. So gorgeous. I can already tell this is gonna be super cute. The 20 inches is a perfect length too, guys. Very natural. So I'm kind of excited about this one. So I'm gonna cut the lace off, pop this unit off, and put this one on. And we're gonna just do like a light work because, again, all ready to install, baby. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab the invisible strap on the side, and I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze and pull it in place so that it can be nice and secure. And again, make sure you pull the latch on it so that it stays in place. And again, the wig is already tightening up and being nice and secure. So what I'm also gonna do is just add a little bit of tape here just to secure that part down, just to make it like a nice clean look. The texture is so pretty, guys. So cute, so pretty. So I'm super excited about this one. Another thing I want to mention is that the cap fits perfect, so I don't have to, all I have to do is just cut the lace around the perimeter. They made this so perfect so that it could fit ear to ear, like perfect size. So I really appreciate that about the company, because sometimes when you cut off of a 360, it's so discombobulated and non-fitting. This one fits excellent. Like look at the ear tab. I cut everything according to the way it lined up, and everything falls into place perfectly like that. I kind of don't even need the tape here, but just to keep the, as a matter of fact, I don't even need the tape. Like, look at how secure this unit is, guys. I don't even need the tape for this unit. I just realized that. So we're not even gonna put the tape on. We're just gonna rock it like that. I am gonna turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, so you guys can see like how nice and disguised it is with the kinkies. It looks like you got like a little kitchen in the back or whatever, but you know, it's a texture here, so your baby hairs shouldn't be slick. Like, that's not normal with this type of texture. So let me go ahead and get my tools out. And I think, like I said, I might actually tweeze a little bit of these hairs on the side just to kind of open this space up in this ear to make it look a little bit, you know what I mean? You feel me? So let me go ahead and just like get my tweezer out so we can tweeze a little bit of this out. Alright guys, so I went back on my word and I decided that I'm not going to tweeze it. I'm actually just going to go ahead and use a little bit of heat just to kind of get everything in the front to look a little bit smoother. I don't think it's necessary for you to go ahead and cut any of that hair. It's not that long anyways, and I feel like just pressing down the hot comb on it will just smooth it out a little bit to make it look less like unmanageable. You know what I'm saying? So I think that's all you need to do. Still leave like a little kink. You see that? Just smooth it out a little bit, not doing too much. And the same thing goes for this top piece right here. You just want to kind of like lightly smooth things in without making it look too perfect, if you kind of get what I mean. So you guys can see that's what the edge, little side looking like that. Very cutesy, very demure. So I'm gonna go ahead and do like some small curl wand in the front right here, just because I already kind of like disturbed the curl. So I want to kind of give it a little touch up so that it looks like the other hair. So let's go ahead and curl it. I never really curl kinky straight hair or kinky hair. I usually just kind of wear it like blown out straight look. So this is the first time that I'm actually having like a nice textured hair with a style like this. I've been seeing a lot of wedding series with girls doing their like natural hairstyles. So if you're interested in like a natural wig for like your wedding, this is a 360 one, so it would do a really nice updo as well too. So, you know, hairstylist, if you're watching this video and you got a customer looking for a kinky straight updo for their wedding, a more natural look for their wedding, this is a perfect unit to purchase. I would definitely look into this one. Again, Wowafrican is a company that has all of the units that are already prepared. Like, literally, guys, we did this straight out of the box. So, this is a straight out of the box hair review, install, same day. Y'all know how it goes. And look at how beautiful that hair is. Look at how beautiful these curls are. So beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and trim this up a little bit, these ends, just because I feel like that part is long. But, yeah, look at that. And again, I'm just going around the top so that everything could be kind of like copacetic. We want all the hair and stuff to be like, you know, simultaneous. Like, they're all working together. They all look good together. So, yeah. And I think that's all I'm going to do for this one. Obviously, you guys can see that this is like super curled up right here. Maybe I'll do like another piece like right here. Like right here. And yeah, this is gonna be a cute one, guys. Very cute, simple hairstyle. Love the natural look. It just gives vibes. So I'm just gonna cut a little bit of a layer on some of these. And I am actually gonna go ahead and do a couple in the front right here, and then I'll do a first look for you guys. I think this is pretty. Look at that, guys. Look at that edge. Real nice. I'm gonna add some powder into the parting space as well, but let's go ahead and do like 1 or 2 curls. Nah. Let me get some hairspray. All right, so you know I have to change my shirt and get cute because we're into the styling portion of this video. Very cute. So this is what it looks like, guys, just like this. I did go ahead and add my Maybelline Fit Me 360 Mocha Powder on the parting space. So you guys can see there's nothing on this unit as far as glue. It's completely glueless. Like, look at that. I literally could shift this unit on and off if I want to, shift it, do whatever. So I have it in a nice kind of like clean style like this, but for me, I'm gonna wanna go ahead and just kind of like run my hands through the back just to amplify this unit up. So we're just gonna do that just to give this more of a bigger look. Now, y'all know me, I like volume hair, and of course this is kinky hair, so it's already gonna give you volume, but I wanna get volume in there because this style is very cute. Now, I don't wanna break apart all the beautiful curls because they did such a good job putting these little curls into this unit. Very, very nice. Obviously, get yourself a nice little curling wand. This is the Hot Tools one. It's a little bit on the big side, but this one works perfect just to get a nice like matching set to the package curl. So again, very pretty. If you have somewhere to go, you want like a natural hairstyle effect, this is definitely a really nice unit to do that with. So this is kind of like the first style. Then I usually like to spray with hairspray. And the hairspray I'm using is the 𝐂𝐸 Helmet Head. I absolutely love this product. I'm actually gonna go pick up another one. You can get it from Marshall's, TJ Maxx, or Burlington. I was at TJ Maxx today. I should have got another one, but I didn't realize it was this light because I've just been using this hairspray up, honey. It's a good hairspray. So yeah. So this is kind of like the look I'm going for right here. I think this is absolutely stunning. Love it. Really cute. So I'm going to scrunch this part up just to make sure it has like a lift like that. Y'all see that? So this is look number 1, guys. Very cute and simple. I actually love this curl pattern. Very, very nice. Again, the unit is super glueless, and I just feel like just kind of pulling this hair out and kind of fanning through these curls just to make it nice and fluff is definitely my style. And again, this is my first time wearing kinky textured hair that is actually able to be curled. These curls are so beautiful on this hair, guys. Very realistic. I didn't do that much to the edges. I think this style just requires showing a lot more character as far as the hair. Doing all the baby hair magic is just, it just don't make sense with this type of hair. It just needs to, the star of the show is the texture and the style. That's it. Like, super cute. Like, look at that. So cute. Very, very nice. Like, this is like the perfect kinky style. Very cute. So this is style number 1, guys. Let me know what you guys think about this. So I have to move the camera up for this to show you guys how super cute this hairstyle is going up. So I'm going to turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but I want to go ahead and kind of fix this before I do all that. Like you guys can see, look at these curls, so cute. And again, this is the perfect unit if you want to go for a natural hairstyle for your wedding. And I go natural because obviously it's a wig, but it's your hair, period. So if you want to do like a natural updo, this would be such a nice unit for a natural updo. Again, you don't need to do like the fancy baby hair. So I'm gonna go ahead and just pull this up a little bit more on this side, or smooth this out as much as I can, just because we have this going up on the side and I want it to look a little bit cleaner than the way I had it, because we're exposing some of our sides now. So now you just want to leave it kind of like that. And again, you don't want to make everything look too perfect, because like, this is kinky hair. It's not always going to be so perfect. So what you can do is just kind of like comb a little bit out of it going in direction, so that I can give like a little bit of a different character like that. So, and again, glueless. Look at that. Can y'all see this? Glueless. Ultra glue. Look, like, yeah, that's just like sliding it in, y'all. It's like easy. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice. Easy lay down, no glue. If you want to put tape, you can. And same thing on this side. You just want to make sure you know how to clip these up, because I love how this just dangles. So let's just clip it like that. So also on this side as well too, you want to kind of, you know, get them hairs to like cover, you know, and just look kind of realistic. So for this side as well, I would just use the hot comb just to kind of manipulate the lace area a little bit, so that this side looks just, you know, look at it like that, just simple. And again, I'm only applying heat to the lace. I'm not burning myself. I'm kind of lightly going on it just to give myself some coverage around the edges. And look at it. So cute. And then you could just go ahead and get that clip and pull some of that extra hair on the side. And again, look at that. Glueless. So cute, y'all. This is like, this one might have to be my favorite texture on an updo, just because it gives volume. Like, it just looks really, really nice. Like, look at that, y'all. Very cute. Alright guys, so I did go ahead and like comb the hair out. Now the hair is a natural wavy after wetting it, so I want to go ahead and wet the hair up so you guys can see what it looks like once it's wet styled. Now remember, it is kinky texture, so you're gonna get like a little bit of texture in the curls. So I'm super excited to show you guys how this style turns out, because I love a versatile wig, and this one is one of those. And you guys can see the hair's already curling up right here. It's gonna give a nice little wave, which I love. Something light, nothing too crazy. And this will actually help kind of like minimize a little bit of the density of this hair. So I'm gonna do that to this side as well too, guys. We're gonna just create a nice little light natural wave by wetting the hair up. And that'll be style number 3. So let me go ahead and get this side not all the way saturated, but a little saturated, so that the style develops. As you guys can tell, the hair is a little bit damp, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some product in it, some styling cream, because I just want you guys to see a little bit of how defined the curls are. So the hair does have a wet and wavy component to her, so I really like that. Again, this is a great unit for my natural hair girls. Like, you can wear this behind the hairline if you want to, do whatever you want with it, or if you just want to hide your hair while you're in between styles as a protective style, this is a great unit to do it. It's low tension, so it's not gonna hurt your head or anything like that. The invisible strap in the back is very, very delicate. They also have like a silicone base on the back of the wig, so therefore it's not gonna irritate any part of your head whatsoever, guys. So this is what this part looks like. I think it's very pretty. Again, keeping it natural, tucking it behind my ear so you guys can see that the unit is super gorgeous. You look at that texture. It's a nice, like, light wavy texture. And you guys can still see that natural kink in the hair as well too. So this is what the henna looks like when it's wet and it has like a little bit of a natural wave. So this is style number 3 when it's wet and wavy. So let me know what you guys think about this. I absolutely love how this unit comes pre-packaged. It comes already prepared to install and very cute, guys. And obviously, if you do multiple styles that you could do an updo with this style with Effortless updo, or you can go ahead and do like a nice wet and wavy style like this. Perfect for someone, again, who is interested in rocking more of a protective style for my naturalistas out there. Or for just anybody, to be completely honest, because this is definitely eating it up, honey. And again, very glueless. Very demure. If you want to go ahead and put some tape on the ear tabs, you can, just to secure it down even more, but this is perfect. Let me show you guys a little. Look at that curl in front. Look at that wave. Look at that little wet and wavy is giving, okay? Cute. Very, very cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave all the information down below, including a coupon code if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Wowafrican. Also, click the links down below, guys. They have other units available in their 360 drawstring style unit, invisible strap unit. So, yeah, go ahead and check the links down below, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.